So, you want to learn Gamemaker Pro. Haha. No. Okay. Max Skywalker wanted me to just give him a lowdown on this. So just click on that advanced mode there. It gives you more things here. Create a character that points towards the mouse pointer. Edit sprite, that one there. Width. Yep. Okay, and just do a circle. Now, we'll want him to point in this way, because in Scratch, it's the opposite. In Scratch, upwards is pointing upwards, I think it is. Oh, wait, I can't remember. You know, probably won't be able to see that. Yeah, you should be able to see that clearly with my recorder. So we tick, tick. You want to click on center here, otherwise it will rotate around where that is, which will make it go out of proportion. Go OK, and we want to add a simple end step. Don't want step, well you can have step, but end step's just better. Code image angle equals point direction x y mouse underscore x mouse underscore y. Now the x and y is your position, and you want it to stay in that position and point towards the image angle, mouse x and mouse y. Make sure you don't have any capitals, otherwise it won't work. That's why you notice when I did it I backspaced a little bit. You don't have to have any spaces between spacebar and all that, just the words themselves. Like if you had point and direction, if you had a variable called high, you'd have to have a spacebar in there. Have to have underscores too. Okay, so tick. He should point towards the mouse pointer. Well, always do that. I always forget to create a ring because I've just never really make them tutorials, I guess. So now you can see that the purple bit here points towards the mouse pointer. Okay. Now, if we wanted him to move, add event, keyboard, letters A, like that, keyboard, letters A, add event, keyboard, letters. Now you don't even have to click on these, by the way. Just so you know, you can press S, you can use the key there. You can have letters W, actually, I'll just have A and D, because I don't want to go into much detail. Now control code, horizontal speed minus equals 2. Now minus equals means it will minus a speed off its initial. If you have equals 2, it will stay at 2. And if you have equals minus 2, obviously it always stays at minus 2. So that, just copy that there, put it to plus. I think that's right, yep. You want a create event, so when you press create, it creates the whatever it is in here first. So friction equals 0.5. So go tick, and notice that now he should move left and right. Yep. But obviously he goes very fast. So in our object we want and step, we want if speed greater than 8 is on my game, great speed equals 8. So if it goes over 8, it will go to 8. If it's below 8, it won't, basically. So you don't need spaces, you only need spaces between. See if it says if and speed, you need a space between that. And also another tip that I find out, you have to put these things into it. So if speed equals 8, it will do that. If you had if speed equals 8, hit a enter and then did speed plus 8, it will go if speed equals 8, it will go to 8 and it will plus 8 onto it. if you didn't have these in. For some reason I wouldn't have a clue why. You just have to. So now he should only stay at 1 speed. Yep. And you can also have up and down. I'll teach you how to do that right now. Now if you want up and down, keyboard letters W, keyboard letters S. Same thing as this, except you want V for vertical. And on this, downwards is plus. And B minus equals 2. So now you will have a moving character that points towards the mouse pointer. Now in my next tutorial I'll teach you how to make this little circle thing here shoot. Okay? Yay! I win! Oh, and have boundaries.